Hello, my name is Cindy Squires. I'm a chartered accountant and a QuickBooks Online Advanced Certified Pro Advisor. Today I'm going to show you all how to create a new client in QuickBooks Online UK from the point of view of the accountant. So from the dashboard here, we're going to click on Sales, which is at the left side of the screen. Once you click on Sales, you'll see four options up here at the top. We want to click on Customers to create a new customer. At the top right of the screen, it says New Customer, which is where we'll go to create a new customer. So you're aware this is where your client list will be. So in the future, if you ever need to find any clients or information about your clients, it'll be right here in this customer screen. So to create the new client, we're going to click on New Customer. And today we're going to create a new client, Demi Stevens. She's the CEO of AlphaCom. So here's where you enter all of the client's information. Under display name as, this is where you can put however you want the customer's name to be displayed. So if you want it to say her actual name, Demi Stevens, or if you were looking for AlphaCom, that's what you would put here. So I'm going to change this to say AlphaCom. And then we enter all of the client's information in this screen. And I'm going to put her email address in here. This is important so that if you ever send invoices via email, this is the email address that they'll be sent to. And her phone number. Any other information that you have for the client can be entered here. For example, the website, that's always a good one. You can also enter create it as a sub-customer or enter parent customer here. We'll go into that in a different video, so be on the lookout for that one. If you notice here, there's some different options. So we put in our address. If you click on Notes, you can enter any notes about the client here. For example, how long they've been in business. So I'll put in here that she's been in business for 5 years. Here we can enter our tax info for the client. So you can put in your tax registration number, i.e. your VAT number, and your UTR number here. A handy tool here is that if you click on verify, you can actually verify the VAT number at the European Commission's website. So you can enter whatever country they're from and their VAT number, and it'll verify that for you. So that's a really handy tool. For now, I'm just going to put in her number here. And I don't have her UTR number, so we will do that at a different point in time. Then under payment and billing, this is where you can enter your preferred payment method. So does she normally pay by check or by credit card, direct debit? If you need to enter a new option, you can do that here. So for example, credit card isn't here. We have card, but if I want to actually specify that it's a credit card, I can click new and then say, let's call it Visa. And then I'll say that this is a credit card. And then that will show up here. Our preferred delivery method, do we mail them? Do we send them via email? So you can choose that here. And then if there's any specific terms that you have for your client. So if it's a due on receipt, which most of my clients are, then I'll put that, but you have the option for net 30, net 15, net 60, and then you can also create a new one if you have specific terms to your company. You also have the option of entering an opening balance. I don't use that very often, but that's something that you can put in. And then under attachments, this is where you can attach different things like her VAT registration certificate or any information from Companies House like her certificate of incorporation, etc. And then we click Save. And then that's it. So now we have AlphaCom in here. Here's my notes that I put in for her. And any invoices or transactions for this customer will be found right here. If I go back to sales and the customers, I'll now see AlphaCom in the customer list. And if this little envelope here means that I have an email address for her so that I can email invoices to her. And I can also create an invoice directly from the screen. So that's it. That's how we create a new customer in QuickBooks Online Accountant for the UK. If you have any questions at all, please leave comments below. If you learned anything from this video, be sure to subscribe and click like down below. Thanks so much. See you next time.